Have I heard these tales that many times, Ogg?
Mobbing like a motherfucker stuck in your picture, middle finger out the window, getting fucked off. Liquor, getting loaded, can't control it. Nigga, pass me the blood, let me roll it.
On the way, Bala. Get some fish and chips. I'm ready for them, Oggy.
You're a greedy cunt.
I wish I was now, I can't be. I'm just a simple man with simple needs, Ogg. A little treat a weekend. Love it. 2 stone lost. I'm happy. Keeps coming off. I'm a chicken salad eating motherfucker now. Anyway, let's talk about your fucking squeaky thing that you bought years ago, right? Who did you listen to? Was it Teapot One?
Well, he said they were fucking great.
Yeah, fucking Visor Cat. Fucking Visor Cat. Some cunt has conned millions of people out of money, and Oggy was one of them.
You never see him now, do you?
No, because it's shite and everybody knows.
You never see him wearing it anymore.
He fucking conned you, old Teapot did. But yeah, he fucking had it on once, and it was just a loud squeak every time he wiped his fucking visor. It was shit.
Must start wearing it again, just to piss you off.
It would piss me off, Oggy, tremendously. New gloves and all, by the way, Gurugans. They were 48 quid. Oggy's sucking the bloke off in J&S, and I got them down 44 quid. Try get some of his shiny rain pants, but they never had extra large in. They only had like 5XL and shit like that. Well, I'm slim now, so they're no good for me. So I'll have to order them from sports bike shop.
I'll fucking fly right in the middle of me bastardise again.
Did you clean it?
Yeah.
I'm fine, yeah. I've got my visor, I've got my screen wound down, low for Dutton. It causes me some fucking headaches, Dutton does, cleaning my visor. And I've not received any visor spray off him yet. You know what I mean? He should really be sponsoring this video with visor spray.
Should be.
Get your hand in your pocket, Dutton. Right, Oggy. This one, right, this journey we're doing today with fish and chips and that to Bala. Fucking listen to me, you fucking downs.
I was going cross-eyed looking at a fucking little book.
Right, well don't look at it. It'll fucking twat you, even if it's dead. You're a fucking bog. Right, so, like I was saying, look at these cunts. Knobheads. Right, I'll get back onto it now. Right, as I was saying, we're coming to Bala for fish and chips, yeah? You're going to take the picture for the thumbnail, so it needs to be landscape mode. I want you to take a nice picture for me, yeah? That I can use for the thumbnail, and then fucking WhatsApp it, mate. That's your job from now on. You're doing the thumbnail pictures on. It's about time you did about time you invested in this channel, mate, and did a little bit. Deb goes off her head at me. The other night when I was editing and that, she fucking hates it. I'm fucking sat there. Oh, you're talking to me now, are you? Because it takes me hours now. I just fucking sit there.
That is because you're a cunt.
Yeah, she knows that.
You ignore everyone.
I was a fucking cunt when she met me. Now it's changed, dog.
You're talking to you, you fucking just blank you.
I do it at work as well. I can't do 2 things at once. I am one of them guys that put 100% in everything I do, Ogg. Oh, he's at it again. Get in, back of the net. Hey, oh, yes, that's nice, Ogg. That'll do you, that. Why don't you get one, you fucking idiot? You can afford it. You're an old man now, Oggy. Get what you fucking want. You're long time dead, mate. That's on camera, Ogg. I've got that. That's a real Oggy, that is. He's a proper fucking sex pest. Roger, Roger Dodger. It's not as good as France, is it? I like putting my arm out to him now. Right there, dick face, you heard him. Think I should try and sell my drone on this video? I think I might. Anybody want a DJI Mini Pro 3? got about 4 batteries, long ones. It's been hacked as well, so it's on, I can't remember, there's 2 radio waves, so it can go twice as far. It's on the American version. It can go unlimited height, which you shouldn't, but if you're going upside of a mountain it's fine. It's got
4 propellers.
some filters, it's got an hard box, it's got a landing mat. Well, I've spent a bit on it, haven't I, Og? Spent a bit on it.
Spent a bit on it, only flown it once.
Yeah, twice I've flown it. But yeah, bought it for 500 quid, spent about another 150 on it. I just want me 500 quid back. If anybody wants it, leave me a message. It's fucking perfect, no wrong with it. I think I've got 2 normal batteries and about 4 of the 45-minute batteries that are all new. Hardly any of them have been used. One of you must want a nice little drone fly around, eh? It's beautiful. I'll throw in Oggy for a free wank if you buy it to the buyer. Very good at that, Oggy is.
Cheers, Biggie.
I don't know how you spot them, Og. I'm always looking at the road. Honestly, I don't, when I'm riding a bike, I'm not looking to the sides at shit, scenery. I'm always looking at the road in front. Be a waste of time for me go Scotland alright, because I'd never see out unless we stopped. I'd just see the roads. I just love the look of lovely looking roads now in front of me. But this is a lovely looking road, isn't it? Proper smooth, this shit is.
You gotta go 20 mile an hour on this, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a 20.
Not that I'm doing it.
But I've got you on film breaking the law.
There's a dragon.
Oh, a
like
Dragon 20.
20.
Fucking hell. Proud of it, aren't they?
Oh, wow. That church wants some slates going back on the reef. Shit, church, Biggie. Bit old, we lowered it.
Oh, that was another one of Oggy's jokes for any of you who didn't click. Let's have a stand up again, Og. Why not? Let's have a look around. Adventure bike rider, I know. Fuck me, I nearly went into fucking cross road then.
Oh, look around here.
Look around, I'm looking around, Oggy. So many sights to take in. The sun's out, Og, blue sky is nice.
I don't know what she said to me then, but she put you off. You there? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I was just ignoring you. Funny, aren't I? Ah, funny. I was waiting for your hand go up, mess with your fucking thing before I answered, but...
She said something to me, and then there's got a fucking big high-pitched beat down my ear, and then it's gone. Oh my fucking god, Ian. Oh my fucking god, Ian.
Where's this chippy? Further up, innit?
Well, just a little bit further up where all these cars start parking up in a minute.
Where all this rain's coming down.
Space behind back in this car, Ian.
Oh, I don't know. Can we? Can we get in there? Further up, I would.
If I get here.
Oh, wait, that's too late. I've gone. I've gone. Oh,
See you next year, you fucking dickhead.
we can go in here where this car's pulled out if you want.
Just need to know where you gone.
Just further up here. There's be a car coming out in a minute. Backing out next to me.
Oh, I'll go down the street and come back up. You fucking big dickhead.
Right, I'll turn you off now. I'm going chippy. Get fish and chips. Just had a fish and chips. Let's go over to the Oggy. Just had our fish and chips. We're 100%. We're the Og. Very dry. Oggy's been here taking the piss out of fat kids. Look at him, he enjoys it.
You are.
Fat little kids walking around with no top on. If I can get him on camera in a minute, I'll show you, but I think it's illegal. Right, I'm coming. Right, ready when you are, Og. Fucking him. Had a fucking ice cream all round his mouth then, the scruffy little rat. Right, so different camera angle. Not ultra wide now, just wide. So Oggy's a bit closer to me.
Yes, Biggie. Outside behind the trees. Oh yeah, I got it.
Go on, dickhead, get round for fuck's sake. And that's it. Fish and chip experience is over. And that's it, Og. It's probably be all I'll eat today. And it was a bit of a letdown. I bet you'll be going out for a fucking mixed grill after, won't you, prick?
No?
You lying bastard.
Had less than you yesterday, you cunt.
You fucking didn't last fucking weekend when we went out. By the time I got fucking home, you were having a mixed grill, you fat cunt. Go on, dickhead. Go, go, go. Don't make me put my foot down, you fucking idiot. I did it, though, Og. I did it. She wanted it, dirty bitch. She wanted me because I'm on a GS. Oh yeah, she did. She wanted to be my pillion. Get away, love you, dirty bitch. I'm spoken for.
Old church, Biggie.
There's an old church. Church, Biggie. Old one.
Oh, yeah.
Got that dinner. Is that one on the left at all? There's fucking everywhere. Are you sure? It looks like a church. That's a church.
No.
Used to be. Telling you.
You know how many died in this fucking village?
And fucking 3 churches on one street. Blue car coming down. Very blue that is, isn't it?
Very blue.
Very blue. It's a very blue car.
Going them. Oh,
Well,
you
what's that
fucking
cunt?
silly old bastard!
Bastard! Bloody hell. And bloody hot. I'll tell you that bloody much for bloody nothing. Right, we'll go get me bears first. Or should we go fill up first? Let's go fill up first.
Go fill up, I am. I'm not fucking fill up.
Get next to me. We'll fill them
I'll
up.
get next to you.
I thought we'd fill them both up.
Ah,
I'll treat you. I said I was going to pay for your fuel the other night. Ready?
I'm ready.
Go on. Oh, God.
You know, all over my bike, you fucking dick, come then.
Sorry. You got it?
Fucking hell, you fucking squeaking everywhere. You fucking big dickhead.
Hey mate, pump 5 please.
Suck me dick while you're there.
Cheers pal.
There's your big mama coming in.
Cool.
Oh, big mama.
Come on. Uh-oh, sorry. Why won't it work? That's it. Okay, no.
Fucking hell.
Cheers
Come
mate.
with me.
Thank you.
Come with me, fuck.
Turn around, couldn't get...
Know your fucking trick. 191.
I turned around, she stood behind me blocking the aisle, I couldn't get past her.
A few moments later.
That's it, day over. Got my little drinks in there. Look at them babies. Mojito. Mojito? I thought I got wrong one then. Look at them, they're the best. Them. Beautiful. Right, got to have a little treat. That's it. Let's get the fuck in this garage. Stripped off and go gaming. Until the next time, bitches. Ciao mama. Can't wait to see Oggy's thumbnail.